These B2 level English words are a little tricky because of their pronunciation and their spelling. Can you say them correctly? Let's find out. First you try, then I'll give you the correct pronunciation. Gauge, plumber, sword, quench. And here is a quick sentence with all the words. The plumber used a gauge to drink enough water and quench his thirst before hanging a sword on his wall. So how many of these words did you pronounce correctly? And try making your own sentence with the vocabularies and post it in the comments below.